up? It's Kia Billingsley back again with another video. Today I wanted to show you this real quick tip and trick on my iPhone XR. As you can see, I don't know, some of you guys might know about the tip and the trick, some of you guys might not, but for the ones that don't know about it, here's a video about it. So as you can see, my folders, they are colorful. They are matching the wallpaper, and my dock is matching my wallpaper a little bit because it has the red. So this is like a shade of burgundy. When I open it up, it's like a shade of brown. The way I achieve that is you just go into the settings app, then you go to general, then you want to go to accessibility, and then you want to go to reduce transparency. Click on that. Right now it is on. That is why my folders have a little color to them, and it kind of matches my wallpaper. But if you want to shut that off and get back to like the transparent looking folders, go back into that. You would hit reduce transparency, cut that off, boom, you're back to regular. But I like to keep it with the reduced transparency cut on. So you would go back into settings and you just cut that on, and boom, you now have a colorful colorful folders, and your dock icon has a little color shade to it. Right now, I don't know what happened. It looks gray. Earlier, it was kind of reddish. Let's see if we can do that again. Cut that off. They're back to clear, guys. They're back to clear. This is how the phone comes when you get the device. They're on clear. But I went to settings. You go back. Like I said, you go to settings. You go to find accessibility. Reduce transparency, cut that on, then you get out of all of that, and boom, you have a little color shade to your dock and your folders. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out. Have a great day.